Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our first Chrome extension, PEPO Image Studio. Today, I'm going to show you what it is, how it works, and why it might become your new go-to image editor right inside your browser. PEPO Image Studio is a powerful, fully local image editor built directly into Chrome. That means no uploads, no waiting, and no compromises on privacy. Everything happens instantly on your device. Let's start with the interface. As you can see, the layout is clean, modern, and designed to feel fast and intuitive. You have your workspace in the center, tools on the left, and all your adjustments on the right. One of the key things here is customization. The entire experience is designed to be flexible, so you can adjust your workflow and use it exactly how you like. Now let's talk about the tools. You can easily move around your canvas, draw directly on images, add text, crop, or even extend your images beyond their original size. Selections are powerful and precise. Whether you're using the lasso, polygon select, or magic wand, you can grab exactly what you need. And with just one click, you can remove backgrounds and isolate subjects instantly. Layer management is where things get really interesting. You can stack multiple elements, adjust their order, control opacity, and apply blend modes to create more advanced compositions, similar to professional editing software. This makes it perfect not just for simple edits, but also for creating memes, social media content, or even marketing visuals. Speaking of that, let's create something quickly. You can add text, style it, apply effects like shadows or outlines, and position everything exactly how you want. On the right side, you have full control over image adjustments. You can tweak brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, and even dive into advanced color grading with shadows, midtones, and highlights. There are also built-in filters you can apply instantly to give your image a completely different look and feel. All of this is happening in real time, directly in your browser. No lag, no loading screens, just smooth, fast editing. And when you're done, exporting your image is just one click away. So, whether you're editing photos, making memes, designing content, or creating marketing visuals, PEPO Image Studio gives you everything you need in one place. This is just the beginning, and we're excited to keep building and improving. Thanks for watching, and welcome to PEPO.